Hello, welcome back if you came here from the first video. If you're here just now, then welcome. This is the first devlog of a couple. Mainly all I did here was work in Blender for a little bit and then implemented it into Studio and put it together. I have some more I need to do. Like I just got the main room done, so we're gonna be spawned and that's where we're gonna start the game. From there, it's gonna need a little bit more work because I need to work on having better lighting and actually finishing all the assets, and then I have to go hop into Blender and make a humanoid creature. Then I have to put it into Roblox and rig it or something, and I gotta make animations for it to make it look cleaner. And now I'm also gonna think about adding footstep sounds and stuff, like making it a sound sensitive game because that sounds cool. Uh, That's what I'm trying to do here. All I did was work in Blender though, so I will put another devlog out soon when I go back to Blender, finish up the main part of the map, and then I will work on the rest of it. Because, yeah, I might get a little bit lazy on it, and I might take a little longer to make the next one than I should, because I have 3 days off, which I want to spend continuing to learn something, like quickly before I do actually work hard on a game, and then all my time would be wasted on a really bad game. I want to make a good game. So I am starting on a different thing just for 3 days, and then after that, I will see how far I got, and I will get some friends to play test it, and I'll also post that if they want me to. Yeah, that's about it. The rest is just going to be the rest of what I did. It's sped up really quickly because I am really bad at Blender right now. I don't know why. I haven't used it in a long time, so I kind of suck. I don't know what I'm doing. I mean, I know what I'm doing, but I don't know what I'm doing a little bit. So that's why I sped up really fast. Because if it's not, it's gonna be like an hour long video. Oh wait, that's it.